Have you been struggling to find a home or investment property that actually makes sense in today's market? Because let's be honest, with prices still feeling high and inventory staying tight in a lot of areas, it can start to feel like every decent property is either gone in 5 minutes or priced way above what it should be. But here's the good news: finding a good deal today is not about luck. It is about knowing what to look for, where to look, and how to recognize opportunity when other people miss it. I'm Valerie Barber, and in this video, I'll show you how to identify undervalued properties, what actually makes them a smart buy, and how to act before someone else does. One of the first places I look for opportunity is homes that have been sitting on the market longer than expected. In a fast moving market, buyers often assume there must be something wrong with a property if it has been sitting. Sometimes that is true, but sometimes it is not. Sometimes the home is overpriced and the seller is starting to realize it. Sometimes the property was listed at the wrong time, marketed poorly, or just did not get enough attention in the beginning. This is where strategy matters. Instead of automatically skipping over a home because it has more days on market, I like to ask why it has not sold. Is the issue cosmetic? Is it something simple that scared off other buyers? Or is it a deeper problem that changes the value? A home that has been sitting can create negotiating power, especially if the seller is becoming more motivated. Another place buyers miss opportunity is listings with bad photos and weak descriptions. This one happens more than people realize. Some homes are marketed so poorly online that buyers scroll right past them. Dark photos, odd angles, blurry images, or listing remarks that tell you almost nothing can make a perfectly good property look forgettable. But bad marketing does not always mean bad real estate. Sometimes those homes have great bones, a solid layout, a good lot, or a strong location. They just were not presented well. And in a market where so many buyers are making snap decisions online, that can open the door for somebody willing to look a little deeper. This is one reason it helps to work with an agent who can spot value beyond the listing photos. Distressed sales and fixer-uppers can also offer real opportunity, but this is where buyers need to be smart. Not every fixer-upper is a deal, and not every distressed property is worth the risk. But estate sales, inherited homes, and homes that need cosmetic updating can absolutely create upside when the numbers make sense. The key is knowing the difference between cosmetic work and major issues. Paint, flooring, dated fixtures, and minor cleanup are very different from foundation problems, roof failure, or expensive system replacements. If the home needs work, you need to evaluate whether the price reflects that work and whether the end result still supports your goals. A property can look rough on the surface and still be a smart buy if the structure, location, and overall potential are there. I also encourage buyers to pay attention to neighborhoods that may be on the edge of growth. Sometimes the best value is not in the hottest area everyone is already chasing. It is in the area just outside of it. Maybe it is a nearby neighborhood with lower entry prices, new development happening around it, improving infrastructure, or growing demand that has not fully pushed prices up yet. This does not mean guessing or gambling. It means paying attention to patterns. Where are people starting to buy? Where are improvements being made? Where is demand slowly expanding? Those are the kinds of details that can help buyers get in before prices rise further. And of course, one of the most important parts of identifying an undervalued property is analyzing the comps the right way. Just because a home is priced lower does not automatically make it a bargain. Sometimes it is priced low for a very good reason. That is why I always come back to the recent sales data. You have to compare the home to similar properties that have actually sold, not just active listings, not wishful thinking, not what the seller hopes it's worth. Real sold data tells the story. It helps you figure out whether a home is truly undervalued or whether there are condition issues, location challenges, or other red flags affecting the price. This is where buyers can get into trouble on their own because a home can look like a steal at first glance and still be overpriced once you really dig into it. On the flip side, a home that other buyers overlook may actually be one of the best values on the market once you understand the numbers. At the end of the day, finding a great deal is not about chasing something that looks cheap. It's about finding value. It's about understanding what a property is worth, what its potential is, and whether it fits your goals long term. Sometimes the best opportunities are hiding in plain sight. They are the homes with bad presentation, longer market time, cosmetic issues, or locations other buyers have not looked at closely yet. The buyers who find those deals are usually not the luckiest ones. They are the most informed ones. Have you ever come across a home that seemed underpriced or just too good to be true? Or are you actively searching for a deal right now? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you are looking for a home in Central Florida and want help spotting real opportunity in the market, I'd love to help you look at the numbers, the neighborhoods, and the properties that may be worth a second look. Hi, thank you for watching my video. Please click the like and the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. And if you're ready to get the process started with home buying or home selling, then please give me a call today. Thank you. Bye.